Good morning, children. Children, we are seeing there are four types of materials which are used for making cloth. In the case of cotton, silk, wool, and synthetic fiber. Among these, the first one we are going to discuss, that is cotton. You know that the cotton is a soft fiber that grows around the seeds of the cotton plant. Usually, we call this region as what is that? Cotton balls. Cotton balls. So, cotton is a warm season crop requiring moderate rainfall. So, it needs a fertile clay soil with a good moisture holding capacity. And usually the black soils are found in western India and southern India, and alluvial soils of northern India are suitable for growing this type of cotton. So please remember this type of soil. The black soils which are found in western India and southern India, and the type of alluvial soil in the northern India are suitable for growing this type of cotton. And in India, cotton is sown between the month of May and September, and harvesting begins from the month of October. So when we are concerned the case of cotton, we are obtaining this cotton cloth through various processes. The first process is known as what is that? Ginning. So we have seen that in the case of cotton balls. So when these cotton balls are burst open after maturing, and fibers are then separated from these seeds by the process of combing. So that process is commonly known as what is that? Ginning. So ginning is the process of separating cotton fibers from the seeds by combing. So that process is known as what is that? Ginning. So after ginning, we are obtaining this fiber. So that fibers which are spun in the form of yarn. So this process of making yarn from the fiber is known as what is that? Spinning. So spinning is the process of making yarn from the fiber. This is the second stage in the case of a cotton cloth. While making the cotton cloth, we can say that. So what is that? Spinning. So spinning is the process of making yarn from the fiber. And you know, in India, we are following traditional way of spinning process. We are using hand spindle, or with the help of a spinning wheel, we are using for spinning purpose. Or nowadays we are using machines also for spinning purpose. So after spinning, we are obtaining this yarn, and that yarn is used for making cloth by the process of weaving. So we can say that weaving is a process of making fabric by arranging two sets of yarns together. By arranging the two sets of yarns together for making fabric, so that process only we call it as weaving. So weaving is the process of making fabric by arranging two sets of yarns together. So that process is known as weaving. Usually this weaving is done with the help of looms only. There are various types of looms we are using. So we are using hand looms we are using, or that is operated with the help of a hand, or we are using power looms that is operated with the help of a power. So this is the way various types of looms we are using for weaving process. So basically these are the three stages in the case of preparing this cotton cloth, we can say that. So first one we have seen that it is a ginning process. So it is a process of separating the cotton. It is the process of separating the cotton fiber from the seeds by combing. So that process is known as ginning. Then second process is spinning. What is that? Spinning is the process of making yarn from the fiber. So that process is known as spinning. And the last process we call it as weaving. What is that weaving? It is a process of making fabric by arranging two sets of yarns together, and this process we call it as what is that? Weaving. So through this process only we are getting this cotton cloth. And when we are concerned the case of cotton cloth, you can see that the cotton cloth is soft and lets air in. So we call this air in is known as a breath. So we can call it as what is that breath. So the advantage of a cotton cloth is it absorbs this sweat and evaporation will take place. So our body feel cool while wearing this cotton cloth. That is happening because of this property, breathe, we can say. So therefore cotton clothes are comfortable to wear, especially in the hot, humid climatic conditions. Okay. So this is the way we can understand the case of cotton clothes. So one more thing you have to remember, this cotton plants are growing especially in a type of soils which are black soils, which are found in the western and in the case of southern India, and alluvial soils of the northern India are suitable for growing this type of cotton. Okay, thank you.